What just happened?
Nothing, everything is perfect, yo. Okay. The drone, we have lost the drone. Actually,
Where did you lose the drone?
Right before a CT, we wanted to actually film the flight over a bridge. However, we
Which
lost,
city?
New York, Manhattan. From the drone, I tried to fly back where we started, where we took off. However, that's the last update I had. That was like, I don't know, 10 minutes ago.
Okay.
We did find it in the end. However, it was, well, destroyed beyond repair, I'm afraid.